Hello everyone, I am R. Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Mechanical, Muthayamal Engineering College, Rasipuram. Today we are going to see about the topic Terminologies of Air Conditioning. So it's a second lecture of the refrigeration and air conditioning systems. So first we go through what is air conditioning. Air conditioning is the process of conditioning the air according to the human comfort irrespective of external conditions. So again, air conditioning is the simultaneous control of temperatures, humidity, motion and the purity of atmosphere in a confined space. So the controlled atmosphere which gives maximum comfort to the human beings is known as comfort air conditioning. So the controlled atmosphere which required for the manufacturing processes is known as industrial air conditioning. So air conditioning mainly involved in comfort air conditioning and industrial air conditioning. In general the air conditioning is that the branch of engineering science which deals with the study of conditioning of air and air for human comfort. So study of conditioning of air for human comfort. Next, classification of air conditioning systems. So air conditioning systems are classified as according to the purpose, comfort air conditioning and industrial air conditioning. So next, according to the season of year, summer seasonal under the season keta mari. So summer air conditioning, winter air conditioning, year round air conditioning. So next, types of air conditioners. So room air conditioners, winter air conditioners, central air conditioner. So these are the above topics or classification of air conditioning system. So next, function of air conditioners. So the main function of air conditioner is to cleaning the air. Next, controlling the temperature of the air and controlling the moisture content. Next, circulating the air. So next we are discuss about the topic name is basic technologies of air conditioning. So these are the points to be noted in the air conditioning technologies. First one is dry air, psychrometry, temperature, moisture, humidity, relative humidity, dry bulb temperature, that means denoted as DPT, wet bulb temperature it denoted as WBT, dew point temperature it denoted as DPT. So wet bulb depression it denoted as WPT. Next, dew point depression DPT. So these are the basic technologies of the air conditioning systems. So let's see one by one. So what first, dry air. So dry air is nothing but the atmospheric air which no water vapor is called dry air. There is no water vapor in the atmospheric air or ambient air, it's called as dry air. So second one is psychrometry. Psychrometry is the study of properties of atmospheric air. So it's a study of properties of atmospheric air is known as psychrometry. Next, temperature. So temperature means the degree of hotness or coldness. Moisture. Moisture is the water vapor present in the air. How much water vapor present in the air is known as moisture. Next, humidity. Humidity means It's the mass of the water vapor present in 1 kg of dry air and is generally expressed in terms of kilogram per kg of dry air. It's also called specific humidity or humidity ratio. So it says humidity or specific humidity or humidity ratio. Next, relative humidity. Relative humidity is the ratio of actual mass of water vapor in a given volume to the mass of the water vapor. So this is relative humidity. So next we will discuss about dry bulb temperature. So the temperature of the air measured by the ordinary thermometer is called dry bulb temperature. So that denoted as dPT. Wet bulb temperature means WBT. It's denoted as the temperature of air measured by the thermometer when it is covered by the wet cloth is known as wet bulb temperature. So next, dew point temperature. So dew point temperature is denoted as dPT. The temperature at which the water vapor starts condensing is called dew point temperature. So water vapor start condensing is called dew point temperature. So next, light bulb depression, that means WPD. It is the difference between dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature at any point. If the air is fully saturated, there is no wet bulb depression. So in mathematically is expression in WPT is equal to dPT minus WPT. That means dry bulb temperature minus wet bulb temperature. Next, dew point depression. Dew point depression is denoted as dPT. It is the difference between dry bulb temperature and dew point temperature. dPT equal to dBT minus dPT. I mean dry bulb temperature minus dew point temperature. So these are the terminologies used in air conditioning system. Next, we will discuss about the main application of air conditioning. So it's used in office, hotel, buses, cars, etc. Next, used in industries having tool room machineries. Used in textile industry to control the moisture. Next, used in printing presses. Next, used in food industries, the chemical plant. So these are the main application of air conditioning. Thank you. So today this lecture 2 is over. So in the lecture 2 I conclude that the lecture 2 topics are terminologies of air conditioning system, what is air conditioning, and the classification of air conditioning we have discussed. At the same time, what are the terminologies used in air conditioning systems also discussed. Then finally, what is the application of air conditioning systems are discussed. So let's see lecture 3. We see next class. Thank you.